Good afternoon, Unity Village Chapel. I have Harper June here with me. Harper, you don't need to actually repeat everything that comes out of my mouth, okay? But we're here this afternoon for our kids' spirit break, and so we're taking advantage of this beautiful, beautiful day outside to just come outside and spend a little bit of time in meditation as kids and as families. So I would just like to invite all of you to just join with me in this family-centered time of meditation. So we'll give people just a few moments to join us before we all dive right on in. I hope this afternoon finds you well and finds you in a good place. Harper, are you ready to join with us in meditation?
Yeah.
A little bit of time and mindfulness and meditation this afternoon. So, so let's just take this opportunity to become still and to quiet our mind and our bodies this afternoon. If you can, make sure your spine is straight and begin to relax your body and to close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and hold it for a moment before releasing it through your mouth. And as you relax your body further, take another deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. And finally, one more time, take a deep breath in and hold it and release. And so in your mind's eye, see a very tall building that you're familiar with. See how tall and straight this building is. And as you look at this building, think about how strong this building has to be to stand against all the wind, rain, hail, storms. Slowly look up to the top of the building and slowly look down to the bottom. Remember all the different bricks that it took to make such a strong building. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine that you are one of those bricks which make this building so strong and so tall. Feel how strong you are. You know that no matter what comes, you are ready to hold this building up. But notice that you are not the only brick holding up this building. You are just one of many bricks. So look around and see all the other bricks. And see that they were all made just like you. Feel how connected to the bricks around you, below you, and above you. Feel the energy of the cement that brings you all together as one. Feel how easy it is to hold this building up against all of the storms with all of the bricks connected. Feel how proud you are for yourself and all of the bricks around you for coming together to make such a strong, tall building. Now, as we come back to this time and to this place, remember that you are never alone. We always have the support of Spirit around us. And so as you return your attention to your body, and if you had your eyes closed, when you're ready, you can open your eyes. And just remember yourself as you go through these next few days, these next few weeks, this next few months. Remember that just like in that building, just like those bricks, that we are never fully alone. That we're strong by ourselves, we can do things on our own, we have the support of Spirit within us. but that you also have all those other bricks around you, all those other people and loved ones that are there to support you and are also expressing their spirit. And so to all of our dear families, all of the dear children that may be watching, just always remember that. Know that you are never truly alone, and that you always have that divine support and strength with you from your community, from your family, and from the very presence of the light of God that you are. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And Harper and I will see you again very, very soon. God bless you all.